How to create a NFT pixel art collection, easy method. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own pixel art collection for NFTs. So let's get into it. Now, for this, you don't even have to create an account. You can get started right away and you don't have to deal with tedious little blocks of NFTs and blocks of pixels that you have to manually place. This is going to be a lot easier than that. So to get started, you're going to go onto this platform called pixelart.com. So Pixil art.com. So you're just going to go onto this platform and you can see I have built this NFT using this platform. So you can see that it's a very nice platform. And not only can you create gorgeous NFTs like this, but you can create them in under 10 minutes. So to get started, you're just going to click on start drawing. And then you're just going to click on new drawing and you're going to choose your drawing. Now, obviously, if you select 100 by 100, you click on new drawing, this is going to be a very difficult canvas to draw on. Why? Because the pixel size is so small. And obviously, the smaller the pixel size, the better the NFT quality will be. But it will take you or thrice or even 5 times the amount of time to finish a NFT like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on File, New, and then you're going to select a simple height and width, like 30 by 30. That's like a decent size when you're drawing, and you might be wondering, hey, 30 by 30, but this is going to ruin my NFT quality. Don't worry, this is not going to ruin anything. I'm going to show you guys how you can expand your NFT quality after drawing on a 30 by 30 frame. So what you're just going to do is you're going to start drawing now. So I'm going to select the black color from the bottom right over here, go into the pencil tool, and I'm going to make sure the pixel size of my pen from the top left over here is 1. And now I'm going to start drawing the outline for the face that I'm going to create. So let's say I want to create like a girl. Yeah, so I'm just going to give it like flat-ish eyes, and then I'm going to give it lashes. Then I'm just going to add like a little block over here just to make sure that everything looks nice and cohesive. So I'm just making sure that everything looks nice and cohesive. I don't want anything to look too off. And I'm just going to be making sure that everything looks nice. And now I'm just going to take the pencil tool once more and I'm going to place the line over here like so. And now I'm just going to give it the eyeball over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it like a small kind of nose. Obviously you can go in a lot more detail if you want. We're just keeping this short and simple. And now I'm going to go ahead and draw like the hair outline because that's going to be like the most important section. And now we're just going to add like a head outline over here. Now we're going to add wavy hair like this. And now we're going to add the smile face. And now we're just going to add the face shape. Now we're going to add like a neck, or you can just leave it at hair if you want. And now we're just going to add like a shadow. So for the shadow, I'm going to scroll down and take a gray color over here just so I know that this is going to be a shadow. I will later on color correct this with whatever skin tone color I'm using. Now what I'm going to do is go back into my pencil tool. I'm going to take one of these peachy skin tones and I'm going to start filling out the skin. You can obviously increase your pixel size when you're doing like filling out colors, but if you're going into like close areas, then you might want to keep it small. And we're just going to fill this out. So just fill this out like so. And you can see if you make a mistake, you can always go ahead and fix it as you go. Don't worry too much about it. And I'm just going to continue on filling. So I'm just increasing the pixel size to 2 just so it's a bit quicker when I'm filling this out. It's not as time consuming. And don't worry, none of this is going to matter in the end because you're going to give it more pixels at the end and I'm going to show you how to do that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the peachy pink kind of shade and I'm going to give my character some blush. And I'm going to go back into the skin tone to fix some of the blush and I'm going to go back into my peachy pinks and then some more blended out blush over here. So after adding the blush, what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the hair. So I'm going to scroll down and let's say I want to give it like brown hair. And I'm going to increase the pixel size for this because obviously this is going to be a bit time consuming if I kept it small. Just going ahead with the hair. Now we're just going to go up, making sure we fill out all of the close details with care. And now I'm going to go back with the pixel size to fill out the small gaps that I have, making sure we fill all gaps. So I'm just giving this character like a t-shirt, and then I'm going to go with a grayish tone, a lighter gray, to give it like the neck shadow. Because I do want to create like the image of a shadow over here. And then you're going to fill out the rest with the skin tone like this, or you can even go with a darker shade of the skin tone to create the shadow. If you want, you can do that as well. And now I'm just going to do this. And now you might be wondering, okay, I've designed the NFT. How do I get this at a better quality, and how can I create an entire collection? Well, you're going to click on download over here, and once you click on download, you have this 30 by 30 height. You can download this PNG and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So this is how small this is looking like. So this is how small it is. And now what you're going to do is to increase the size, you're just going to drag this over here, drag this toolbar, and drag it to like 1200 by 1200, and then you're just going to click on download PNG, and I'll show you guys. So you can see once you have increased the pixel size, this is how large and fantastic your NFT looks like. So you don't have to spend hours and hours designing a very tiny cubicle. You can just go on ahead with this and create a large sized good NFT. And once you have downloaded this NFT to create a collection, so if I was to create a collection, the next step what I would do is I would add like a spark. So I would take a white color and I would add like an eye spark over here, like over here and here, like this. And you can add like hearts or anything like that as well, whatever you prefer. And then you can download this. And then next step, you can, instead of adding hearts, you can add, instead of adding like eye sparks or something like that, you could add like a flower band. So you can create different flowers with the colors like that, and then you can add those instead and create like a headband. Then you can add hearts, you can add different facial expressions. So once you have done like a couple of smiley faces, you can do like frowns, or you can do straight faces. So all you have to do is edit a couple of pixels. So now you can make it frowny, and then you can create your entire pixel art collection and then upload it on any platform, any marketplace like OpenSea or any other marketplace that you want to use. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.